Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about egg and broiler production. Broiler chickens are given vitamin-rich food for their proper growth. They are also provided with proper care to decrease their mortality rate. For good production and good quality of poultry, good management practices are needed, such as maintenance of temperature and hygienic conditions in housing, poultry feed, along with prevention and control of diseases and pests. Let's talk about these management practices in detail. The very first is maintenance of poultry housing. Poultry housing. Their housing should be well ventilated. It should be well ventilated. They should be provided with a photo period of about 14 to 18 hours. This should be given because it regulates the growth of chicken and egg production. Third is their floor should be covered with husk of coconut and materials like that. Second is poultry feed. Their food. Chickens feed on grains such as wheat, rice, barley, bajra, etc. and green vegetables. They feed on grains and green vegetables. There are chickens which are known as growers. These are the growing chickens. They need a balanced diet which are rich in carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins such as vitamin A and K, etc. Third is their disease control and prevention. Disease prevention and control. First of all, the vaccination are given against major viral and bacterial diseases. So vaccinations are given for major viral and bacterial diseases. Second point is broilers can be attacked by ectoparasites and endoparasites. If you can recall, ectoparasites, they live on the skin such as mites and ticks. These can be killed by using insecticides. Endoparasites, they live on their stomach or liver such as roundworms. These can be prevented by using wormicides. Please note that the insecticides kill the insects and wormicides, they kill the worms. Last point is about fungal diseases. Fungal diseases can be treated by using Body-X mixture. This is all about egg and broiler production. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.